Kirsty, and I'm going to talk to you about punching. So, what is punching basically? It's a metal forming process that uses a punch press to force a ram through a sheet metal and a die. And the high shear strain applied on the metal causes the internal surface to slide past one another, and so a hole is created. And you can see in the picture how it is illustrated. And the difference between punching and blanking basically is just in the terminology. The entire process is the same. And if, for example, I punch a hole through a sheet metal and I'm interested only in the scrap, in the disc basically that I cut, then the process is called blanking, and the metal with the hole through it is the scrap. In the opposite case, if I'm interested in the metal with the hole through it, then it's the process called punching, and the disc is the scrap. Now, there are different kinds of punch presses. There are relatively small punch presses which are hand operated and for small and precise holes, and there are large CNC punches which read input instructions and carry out the punching process automatically. CNC stands for computer numerical control. And this type of punch presses, they read the instructions, place the punch in the desired position, and initiate the punching sequence. And they can reach speeds up to 900. That's supposed to be late. So there are some drawbacks, of course, in punching process, and that is, the first one is that it's expensive to buy and install, and also you need to have trained personnel to operate and maintain the machine, because the punch and the die, of course, they suffer from wear, and they need regular maintenance and resharpening, and even eventually they will need replacement. So you need trained staff to know how to maintain it, to avoid them wearing out faster. And even a small mistake in the calibration from the operator can result in greater damage, and which will be costly for the for the company to replace. Finally, you may ask, why should we use the punching process when technology offers us the laser cutting and the water jet cutting, which they will explain to you later. The main reasons are because CNC punching machines have lower capital cost than the other processes, and also they do not use the electric power to the same extent as the others. And it is a fact that no other process can compare with punching in the speed of punching holes, because punching machines, they can reach speeds up, they can punch with up to 900 holes per minute, which is extremely fast. And finally, some jobs, they do not require the fine edge that the lasers or the water jet provides. So therefore, punching is still today the most widely used sheet metal cutting process, and the most cost effective.